What's up, everyone? Nina here at Awesome Auctions. Just want to show y'all, this is going to be really short, but we do have jackets. Currently, today, it's not like the sneaker videos. I do have more of those coming out just to show you guys the sneakers. But all the sneakers, all the Jordans and Nikes and all that stuff are sold. Now, we do have a few, low-end ones for sale. And we do have all those. I will pin we have stuff up on Macari and like Poshmark and like a few things on offer up. But we are going to start putting like the clothing up to just straight purchase on our website. They're not going to be for auction. But I wanted to show you guys some of the jackets and stuff we do have. But there is more and more like of these jackets and coats and stuff. So they're all not in here. I'm just now getting them in there. I'm just using our closet for this. But we have things like this jacket right here. A bunch of these, like these type of jackets right here. These two are sold. This Converse One Star jacket is sold. This is sold. And then I just literally sold this vintage Coogee sweater right here. I just sold this one. I will put a little shot up of it, of what I just sold it for. I just sold it on OfferUp. So that one is sold, and then the Converse is sold. There is another Converse, but it's like cheap. Like the price is cheap because it's a little, the other one's has like a few little imperfections about it, a few flaws. And then we have this jacket right here. And then this jacket right here. But if we come to the other side, hold on, let's move these. So I'm putting all the ones that are sold over here. We have these, I think it's like a leather jacket, but we have shirts and everything too. So you guys, I will be doing more videos of just showing the clothing, and the clothes are, this video is today, what's today? 27th? Today is November 27th. 2022, and it is 1 p.m. So just to let you guys know, these are currently available. So if you are interested in purchasing, I will pin our website and also our like Poshmark, Macari, all of that. But we are going to start currently getting stuff up on our site. So you guys, if you want to purchase, you can do that. But it's a bunch of mixed brands, like, it's whatever we find. And a lot of these clothes and jackets that we do have are like new or freaking excellent condition. We don't, anything that's like messed up, that's, super messed up, we don't put up. We have a Canada Goose coat right here. Real nice. Take a look, guys, at this. I'll show you the inside. So, you see the inside, and then you see, you guys the tags. I'm gonna open it up for you. So we do have things like this available. So if you are interested, it is up. We are open to all offers, you guys. We just want to get these clothes sold. We want to get them moved. So here's the back of that one right there. So then we have, we have this one right here. I don't know if I'm saying it right, you guys. I'm not even heard of the brand till we found it, but it still has the cleaner tag on there. K-Subby, and that's a 2XL. So we have different sizes, different brands, extra larges, 2XL, like mediums, with these little things like that. That's express, like little things like that. And these, like I just showed you over there, there's multiple colors of these. Like most of these are new with the tags on them. So I'll do a part 2 of this video once I get more stuff in here so you guys can see it. But, nice jackets like this. So those are real nice. Really, really nice. And then this little jacket like this. This one, I forgot the size of this. I think this is a large. This is William Rast right there. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? Now I know the other thing that sold. So, do have this like right here. Let me show you guys, try to show you the tag. This is extra large. So if you see anything that you like, let us know, and you can go purchase it. And then this is Little Wayne's collection right there, truck fit. This coat is still available, but the vest is sold. I sold this, like, I put these up yesterday or last night, and like probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes after I put this up, the vest sold. This sold immediately. Like, this one still has the tags on it. The coat is new without the tags because there's no sign of wear on it, so that is new. But it got that little animal print and stuff on the inside, and this got the buttons. And oh, I'm trying to show y'all, I'm sorry, but you see, it's kind of hard to do this. I get another tripod, but you got the extra large right there, and it does have the tags on it still. The tag on it. Originally $78, but that is sold, and that got the hood. And the coat does have the hood as well. It's one of those hidden jacket hoods. It's inside there, so it does have the hood down in there. You just unbutton that, and then just this little this one is Jack's Company, or Jack's Company. It's like half, like kind of like it's leather, and it's like a cloth material, something like that, but like half leather, and that's what that one looks like from behind. So do be on the lookout. I will pin on for this video, and there is going to be more videos coming up to show you guys everything that we have. So do keep an eye out for those. So if you want to purchase something, you can go. Let's start, like I said, I'm gonna start trying to get stuff up on the website, and I will be pinning our Macari, Poshmark. Also, I believe we have some stuff maybe on Grub, but I'm gonna pin the Poshmark, the Macari, and our offer up, so you can go in there. And like I said, we are definitely taking offers, so we do have like some really nice coats and jackets and stuff. Like, oh, and this is I didn't tell you guys the size on this. This, I don't know if you saw the tag, is extra large right here. So you guys know. And it's really nice. You got the inside pockets and everything on this. Really nice coat. And then this jacket, nice little hoodie jacket. Got like the little barber scissors and stuff. And this is the King brand. It says Reign Supreme King XXL. So if you are interested, we do have a lot of clothing. Like, I have totes and bags, and we do not even have everything here. We still have stuff in different storages, like different storages. So we have a lot of stuff, you guys. So we will be getting everything up, and if you see something and you're interested, let me know. And if it's available, it will be on any of those sites that I pin. And that's the all good t-shirt, and it has the tags on it. So yeah, I will show you guys more clothing in another video. But yeah, like I said, these are all the things that got sold, except for the stuff right there on the wall. Just available. Let me show you guys the jacket if anybody's interested. This is new. It still has the tags on it. It is Disable. I was saying Disable, so let me know if I'm saying it wrong. You guys accidentally just put that off, but I will put it back on. Let me show you guys this size. Hang on. This is, I believe this is hang on, guys, let's see here. And this has like this is a 2XL. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. It has like the distressed look on the front, and it's like the American flag right there. It has the stars, and then got the little patch parts on the arm of it, and then this is the back of it. Really dope piece. Really, really cool jacket. And then that's the bottom of it. So that's that. And again, and the hanger just broke on me. Oh my gosh, cheap hanger. We'll get this back up on the hanger. So that is, I still have lots of stuff in bags I gotta take out. So that is a 2XL. And then you got an American rag jacket. This is a large jacket right here. So let me show you guys that one. It's kind of got like a faded type blue denim look to it. And then you got the little zipper on the arm. And then this is the back of this one. And then of course you have all these jackets over here. This one it is a little bit linty, but this one is an extra large. And let's see, the green one, if you're into the green one is extra large as well. I believe these all are extra larges. Yeah. So you got green and you got like the blue right here. And then also the brown one as well. So if you're interested in some jackets like this, the buttons, nice little casual jackets. So this one's a large. This is the only one I think that is the smaller size. And it's, you know, button down. So it's kind of like a corduroy type look to them. So we do have 4 of those in that color. I think there is a 5th one, but I will have to check. So yeah, if you guys if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will know when we upload videos. And again, if you're interested, everything is for sale and we're taking all offers. We just want to get this stuff sold and out of here. So be sure to check down in the comments. I'll pin the information, and also believe information. We'll put the information in the description as well. All right.